Okay, for this one, we're gonna do another non-human character. So let's see if you can guess who it might be. I guess the way I'm starting off here is a little confusing. And you can do a lot more, practice and eye shapes and sizes and stuff, trying to match them up. Okay, I'm gonna do a little like this. Arm like this. A little arm like this. And then the big feature of this character is the big kind of bat-like ears. So we have the tennis ball size eyes, and then the really big ears. And you'll notice that he is wearing kind of just like a sheet. Again, it's really not perfect shading and stuff. I mean, he's not yet. I'm not gonna do that. Let's just give him kind of a blue sheet to be wearing. I'm not sure if that's the actual color of the sheets or rags that he wears in the show, but there you go. And I'll just kind of color in the closest to his color that I have available to me right now. But if you have crayons or colored pencils or markers, then you have access to more colors than I do, and you can practice until we get it right. Some of our students in Lunch Bunch do a lot of practicing on their art, and they come into the Lunch Bunch on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and they kind of show off some of their progress, and sometimes we'll all draw together as a group, which is fun. Anyway, so wrapping that up. I'm gonna go back to some, just to tidy up the eyes here. And who is it? Of course it's Dobby, the house elf. Dobby the house elf. Alright, thanks for drawing along with us. You can go back and draw as many times as you like. You can modify and change everything, or just get to practicing. See you next time.